Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jared token. Now this is like the dumbest name for a token to name your token after this guy who's a terrible person. I don't know why you would do that, but this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big exchange. Their Twitter has over 208,000 followers. So insane following on Twitter here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it because of this big central exchange listing announcement here today. We're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter at JaredMev_ETH. That's the one with over 200,000 Twitter followers, doing very well here. So this token, today is the 15th, July 15th. This token gets listed July 16th, 10 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Glabl. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is, well, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Glabl account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Glabl referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Jared, which is the ticker symbol, Jared, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, it was just announced today that it's getting a brand new listing tomorrow. There is a Kickstarter event going on today that was announced on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, and you can find all the info on there. It says an Ethereum-based crypto coin that rewards its holders with exclusive meme content and exciting perks is coming to the Mexc Kickstarter. So you can find the information on there. There is a details page too that you could open up that's going to have info on this token, like their block explorer and socials and web page. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain. You could tell that already because I've already mentioned ETH. Now, it only says 536 holders, which is crazy. I don't understand how you can only have 536 holders, but you have 208,000 Twitter followers. Something's a little bit off about that. I don't know why. Maybe this, because it says here, all one word, Jared from Subway.eth. Maybe this is a famous like crypto investor Twitter person who got a following. You know, maybe he's a whale, that type of thing, like that Ben.eth or whatever, like something like that. So, maybe this is a famous crypto whale, and so he had a following prior. Maybe just people followed it for the memes, or they had a Twitter contest or something like that. Maybe bots. I have no idea. Oh, so right here it says founder of the most advanced MEV bot. So maybe that MEV bot is very popular or does a very good job of acquiring Twitter followers. But yeah, so this person was obviously famous before. And it says, I will never sell my MEVBot code at any cost, so stay away from scammers. And then it has the official Telegram, which is on here. Let's check out their Telegram. So their Telegram, 2,222 members. It says, Jared, world's most rewarded meme token ever. And that is at JaredOfficial_chat. You can find that on there. Their webpage is going to have the links to their socials. It has the Ethereum contract address, all that type of stuff on here. Jared from Subway MEVBot earns about 1 million plus daily for Jared. Now, is that true? 1 million? How could you earn $1 million plus? That just seems crazy. I mean, if that's true, great, but logistics of just earning $1 million daily seems a little out of hand, but okay. Now it says tokenomics on here. I'm not here to disagree or agree with anything on this page. I'm just reading what it says, but some things on some pages definitely seem off to me, and I am going to mention them, but okay, let's just go with what it says. Jared's tokenomics, 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, fair launch, 30% Uniswap liquidity, 9% for central exchange listings like Mexc Glabl and for liquidity for that, and 1% airdrops for active followers. So they had a fair launch on Pink Sale, so that's where they started out. So if you want to find more information, you can head over to their Pink Sale pre-sale page. They got a lot of pre-sale info and other info over there. Like it says, they're audit verified, so you most likely can find their full audit over there on Pink Sale, because that's where they post the KYC, the audit, the SAFU, the docs, whatever type of security they have. So it says 200 plus front-running MEV bots by Jared, 100% open source. Highest ETH gas fee payer, Jared MEV bot pays 5 to 7% of total gas fees paid on the Ethereum network daily. So this is a big thing. So I was not aware of this thing prior to looking at this token. So it looks like, if you're familiar with this MEV bot, then you know what this is all about. But I'm going to look into this some more after this video is done. Then it says $100 million plus daily volume generated by Jared's MEV bot. So now it's $100 million plus. So first it was $1 million plus, now it's $100 million plus. I mean, they can't even make up their own mind on this webpage here. Are you ready to dive into a world of excitement, creativity, and endless rewards? Look no further than the Jared world, where we bring you the most rewarded meme coin on the Ethereum network. Join us on this incredible journey for the universe of fun and entertainment. Why would you invest in Jared's meme token? Well, are you tired of the same old boring investments? Look no further, because Jared meme token is here to revolutionize the way we have fun. Jared's meme token is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that rewards its holders with exclusive meme content and exciting perks. With Jared meme token, you become a part of a vibrant community that creates or celebrates humor, creativity, digital art. Our token rewards you with loyalty and engagement, allowing you to unlock a world of possibilities and laughter. So investing in the Jared meme token is like stepping into the digital playground filled with hilarious content and memes. As a token holder, you gain access to treasures trove and exclusive gifts and videos that will keep you entertained for hours. Now, I don't mind, if this, because this guy's obviously a jerk, this original guy, more than a jerk, obviously. But, if they're making fun of this guy, then Jared I'm talking about, then okay, whatever. But, obviously don't celebrate this total, jerk, for lack of a better word to use on YouTube. So it says unique rewards. Unlike traditional investments, Jared's meme token offers you a chance to earn rewards that go beyond monetary gains. We believe in the power of laughter and creativity, which is why we offer one-of-a-kind perks such as personalized memes, shoutouts, and even the opportunity to have your own memes featured in our community. And lastly, community engagement. Being part of a Jared meme token community means you're joining a group of like-minded individuals who share a passion for digital art and humor. Engage with fellow token holders, participate in meme challenges, and make lasting connections in the space that values laughter above all. And then you can join their Telegram group, their Instagram, their Twitter. They're all at the bottom of their page. They have an official email on there. You can email them if you want. It says liquidity locked for 10 years and ownership renounced. And yeah, you can find tons more info on their Twitter. You can find the chart on there, all that type of stuff, their Kickstarter event. So follow all that. I'm going to throw their Twitter up there. You can find a DEX Tools chart on here. Let me open up the DEX Tools thing here and have a gander after this video is done. Let me see actually if I could pull this up real quickly and review the security on this token here, because sometimes if this will even open up, I don't know. Okay, so it does open up. So on DEX Tools, you can find, their total liquidity is $123,000. 24-hour trading volume right now, $94,000. Total supply, 88.26 billion Jared tokens, 535 holders, 99 out of 99 DEXed score. So they don't have any severe warnings on their Go Plus security here, so I can't see anything that's terrible. It says tax is modifiable, but you don't know how much. Maybe just slightly. You know, you can't mint new tokens. It says no honeypot, contracts verified. So there's a lot of good things in the security here. But you guys can go review the full audit, most likely on Pink Sale. Check it all out. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one down there in the description box where this token is going to be listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.